Alright y'all, you know the drill. It's time to go fishing. Got off work a little early. I'll make up the time next week. I'm hitting a lake that's about 45 minutes away from my house. I did pretty good there last spring. Granted, I did go in April and May. It's still March, it's still cold. But like you saw in my morning vid, nighttime temps were only got down to like 50 degrees because of the cloud cover. The clouds acted like a blanket for the earth and kept it warm. So maybe I'll be able to get on a pretty good bass bite. We'll see. I got off at 3. I'll probably get there around 4 and I'll be able to fish till sundown. So let's see what happens. The lake is dry. First kayak mission of 2021. Let's do this. Hey, that looked like a bite. But it didn't take it, I guess. No way. Fish on. Fish on. I thought I was not gonna get one today. Wow. Finally, y'all. Fish on. Fish on. I thought I wasn't gonna get one today. That's the way it goes. There's a helicopter over there dropping water on something. I don't know, maybe they're just doing drills. It almost looks like they're dropping water on water. And also, check out that sunset. Nice. It's a nice spring day, I thought. Let me go catch a bunch of bass. The weather says it's nice. Only 7-mile-an-hour winds. That's perfect to push me around and pull worms along the bottom. Nope. There's the car. Finally. Salvation. Salvation is here. Salvation. All I gotta say, it ain't spring yet. Today is March 19th. The first day of spring, officially on the calendar, if you will, is March 20th. So it's technically still winter, and I definitely felt it today. It got windy, it got cold, the bite was tough. I actually landed one fish, thankfully. Whew, almost skunked. I realized that one of my rod tips the ceramic eyelet was damaged. I ripped off like 3 lures trying to cast, and I looked at it. I thought I inspected it good enough, but until I put it right up in front of my face, I didn't realize that it was broken. So that cost me a few underspins, a jig, whatever. But still winter. I'm not giving up. This place produced for me last April. I came in the middle of the day between like 1 and 5 and caught 12 bass, and then for the following weeks we were just slaying it. But the water was all the way up to the tree line, so as soon as that water comes up, I'm gonna be back.